this one is a sine graph. So when we have a sine graph, we do the same thing here. I'm just going to sketch it, make sure it's in terms of yourself. I'm going to ignore the front part as if they're not going to guide me. I'm going to do it by myself. But very high chance, even for O level, they always guide. Okay, so from here, what I have here is that my amplitude is equals to 3, which means by right, my max is 3, my minimum is -3. But because of the -2 at the end, these two comes together, right? This is 1, this is -5. So I can do like a quick sketch already, right? Then the important part is finding out my period. So this one here, right? You take 2 pi instead of 360, okay? 2 pi divided by 2, this is pi. So that means I will have one full graph from 0 to pi, correct? But I'm drawing until 2 pi, right? So I need to make sure I have two sets of graph. Okay, so similarly, let's quickly draw it out. We'll draw our axis first. So always label your y and your x. Okay, now your max is 1 and your minimum a bit lower. Minimum is -5. Don't forget, find my middle ground. Whole thing is 6 units. So if I go down, that should be about -2. Especially for sine graph, it's very important because that's where you're going to start and end, okay? Because it's a roller coaster, right? So this one here is my -2. Must show, okay? Must show. So I'm gonna, if you know, you don't know where to draw already. Okay, so -2. So then after that, what we have is we have our 2 pi. All right, then we have our pi. This one we no problem because this one is just pi over 2, right? So you can see this as 0.5 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi. So this one here is 1.5 pi. 1.5 is always 3 over 2, so you got this one over here already. Okay, so once I'm done with this, let me just adjust to make sure it looks a little bit more symmetrical. Otherwise, my graph is going to look a bit off, okay? Does it look okay now? Okay, shouldn't be too bad, right? Okay, so we're going to start from this sine graph. So sine graph, roller coaster up, roller coaster down. Remember, I should have two sets. I should have two sets of graph inside here. So when I see this one, right? Let me just do a quick scan, okay? So when I see this one here, okay, what I have is I will be looking at starting from here, all right? And then I will finish up here, correct? So when I finish up here, what does that mean? So that means in the middle here, this is my highest. I come back. Wait, let me see. Go up. I must finish here, right? So I have to come up, down. Okay, so it will be here. And then this one will be over here. Okay, so you can see this roller coaster looking one here. All right, can you make sure you mark the points first before I continue, all right? Give me a second, let me do a quick, yeah, okay, so mark the points first, then we can see. Then out now we can connect it. So when I connect it, this one will go up, and this one here, right, must take note, okay? It must be over here. Because in the middle, right, must be here. Can you see that? All right, then this one go down and go up. So this is your one set of graph. Okay, so you need to draw two sets, right? So I'm going to duplicate this. And then it should fit, okay? So I'll connect. Okay, not very good. Wait, Okay, then I will extend a bit more just to make sure. Okay, then I will have this one as well. So this one will be like this. Okay, just make sure that it actually connects properly, all right? So you have all your, let me do it nicely. Okay, so you must have all your nice intersection. Can you see that? All right, so you can draw it this way. So draw already, then you just need to label y equals 3 sine 2x minus 2. So that's why the gray line is very helpful. Okay, we need the gray line.